Hello everyone. You might have recognized this yard before. That's because we were here about a year and a half or so ago. We did this beautiful pathway, turf, sunken fire pit area. Love the sunken fire pit. We took some reclaimed brick and added it around the perimeter as a nice border. You can see it's a sunken fire pit. When you have a steep elevation on the yard, we use a retaining wall. And this is the kind of cool things that you can do. We've got lights around the perimeter. You see we repurposed the red brick around the fire pit. And all of this was all turf. We took all of this up and put this beautiful little cocktail martini pool in. Let's come have a look over here. And once again, every inch of the yard got used. This is a cool entertaining area, big seating bench, lots of lights at night. I love my little bird. We got one too. That's the guy at the farmer's market. And go see him. He has some good stuff. We like him a lot. And there again, we got 6x9 lights for safety. These are sand dune pavers. Kind of a nice neutral palette. Love the tile. That's the Aquabella series. Very nice stuff. Just came out last year. And again, we have a giant turf area for the puppy dogs. And you can see lots of retaining wall, big beautiful bottle brush. We took advantage of the slope. Don't think this is a disadvantage. You build it up with the retaining wall and you can do a lot of fun stuff. Sunken fire pits, sunken kitchens, sunken seating areas, all kinds of fun stuff that we can use. So another awesome job. We also did the elite room enclosure. We've got sliders across the back so they can fully open it all the way up. So very, very fun stuff. Always Pentair equipment. We're not going to sacrifice and put a smaller pump. We always use the 3 horsepower variable speed, the clean and clear cartridge filter, and then some people like to get a heat cold. That means you can chill your pool in the summertime, which is about to be coming up, and heat it in the wintertime. So fun stuff, fun backyard, awesome customers, 5-star review, and another beautiful job in the history books. So we want to thank our customers, thank everyone out there for checking us out, and thanks for the business. Y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next one. Let's go swimming.